In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up global custom styles for your template. You will need to go to the Custom CSS tab here, and as you can see here, you can set up fonts and colors and backgrounds and basically styles for every single part of your template. You will be later able to set up exceptions from these global styles in your modules, but for now let's start with fonts and colors. As you can see, you can select font or remove one. You can choose from serif, sans serif fonts and other, or search Google Fonts and then select one. Also, if you are using a language that supports special characters, you will need to select Latin Extended and then just select from any font that you may like. And choose its versions, like if you need bold, regular, or even light, you may select it and then save it and edit it to your template. You can also add new color for your template. For example, like this. You can even use this color palette to select colors here. Then you can continue to basic tags like body. You can set up padding and width of container, and you can set up padding from top and sides and bottom like this. And you immediately see how it works in your template. Also, you may set up width of the container or even make it a custom value like this. Then you can set up borders and backgrounds if you want to use some. You can set up colors that you already use in your template, or add a new color, or even enter your own value if you know it by heart. You can also set up a background color for your body, like this. Background can be even an image or a color. Again, I can set up color, which is white, just like now, or make it transparent, or you can select image from Pixabay and you will be able to change this image later. See, like that. Okay. Then you can set up how it will look, if it's from side to side, or this, an alignment of background, fixed or scroll, repeat, no repeat, etc. Okay. Now that we have border and background, we can move to body text. You can also set up text color, make it black or any color that you may choose for your template. Again, you will see the changes immediately right here. Here you can set up a font for the text, like Open Sans and size, or even in present, or enter any value that you may like. And font weight, normal, bold, 400, 300 and so on. It depends on the font that you select. And also a normal and light height can be set in percents or in pixels, or enter your value like that. Okay, these are body elements. Then you can start with titles. Choose a color for the main title, each one, and even font family, which may be different from the body. And size, bold. You may leave it empty if you don't want to change it. Then margin and padding for the title, maybe like 10 pixels from bottom, and even margins. Or even if you want to use some secondary text for H1, you may set it up here. And it will continue like that with all the titles, and then with the paragraph, which may have different color than the other text on the website, or you can leave it be and not set it. Also, you will see all the changes that you make in here in typography, global CSS style. So this is like a preview, and we see that we set up H1 title, and if we want to continue, we will make it like that, and H1 can be dark gray, as you can see. And you see it right here, one below each other. Like this, you can continue with all the styles that you want to set up. Also images, if you want to set up any border or width and other values that may impact how the images look on your website. As you can see, this is the global style, and you will be able to set it up later for each module using the edit page button, and we will get there in the next chapter. So that's all for global styles, and thank you for watching.